Here's a delicious dessert recipe for Irish bananas. The Allrecipes member Dakota Kelly, who submitted this recipe, says bananas are simmered in brown sugar, butter, and Irish whiskey for a delicious warm treat to serve with vanilla ice cream. To begin, place the skillet over medium heat and add a half cup of butter, allowing it to melt. Stir in a half cup of packed light brown sugar and a half cup of your favorite Irish whiskey. Bring the sauce to a boil, stirring constantly until the sugar is dissolved. Let's add the bananas and bring the sauce to a simmer. We're making this for 4 servings, so we've added 4 peeled and halved bananas. Allow the bananas and sauce to simmer gently until the bananas are glazed and tender, about 4 minutes. Serve these Irish bananas right away over vanilla ice cream. Allrecipes member J.K. Doty writes, "I served it over Irish tea cake from Allrecipes and ice cream. It was tremendous."